that hill that I wrecked on, because I think that's the house that I passed. And as I recall, this is where Warren's trailer broke down.
I had to go back and get the belt.
Yeah. Say that he kept to the right.
Let me see if there's a vehicle there.
Yeah. You've got one bar.
I think I got binoculars in there too.
Well, so you'd be staring practically right at the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the hill that I wrecked on.
Up in front of us.
Yeah, because that's the house that I passed. And that antelope I was telling you about that crossed the road, crossed the road right up here. And that's the last time I saw an antelope. Nostalgic being up there. Yep, I remember that. Whoa, you need to pay attention.
Thought I saw it.
Well, I don't see a vehicle out there. You're with Verizon, right? Was he going shooting?
No. Just on the scenic drive.
Nice. Yep. This is my hill. I wonder if the rock is still there that I hit.
Quite possible.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't hit it.
Yeah.
Can't see anything really out the front.
Yeah. As I recall, the rock was just right about here that I hit.
In fact, you've passed this hill.
I don't recall. Well, I think I was past this cattle guard.
Yeah.
So it might have been just over here. Okay.
That's Promontory Ranch.
Yeah, but I don't see anything out there. but I also remember a slight hill off to this side. Going up, not down. But this is the road, and this is the main hill. See, when I wrecked and I couldn't dial 911 and I couldn't call you, I decided I'd walk back to that house and see if anyone was home.
Yeah, we're out close to Great Salt Lake.
Yeah, so I'm guessing he's got to be around here. But by what he said, I can't tell if he said that he passed Spiral Jetty or if he just passed the road to Spiral Jetty.
Well, you go Spiral Jetty dead ends.
Yeah.
Be nice to have a drone.
Yeah. Oof. Or a smooth road. Or not be staring into the sun.
I think this is the hill that you were talking about.
I wonder. I don't think there's any way to know for sure. Because I don't think I took any pictures. No, I think it had to have been back there that I wrecked. But still, nostalgic. Because also, as I recall, I didn't have to walk far before I could see that house.
Yeah.
So, and this I'd have to walk a mile to see that house. I had only taken like, I don't know, I'd only walked about like 20 yards at the most before I saw a car coming up the road in that valley that we passed or drove through. Oof.
How did they do that?
I don't know.
Unless that was like an old bridge at one time.
Yeah, who
They
knows?
weren't driving off of there anymore.